Digital dental exchange is getting a smoother, more reliable experience with its Dentrix integration. With this update, we have added 3 new features. Firstly, we have added single sign-on, making access easier and reducing the need for extra login steps. Next, DDX now launches in its own dedicated window. This means a more consistent experience for you. And lastly, when creating a new lab case, DDX automatically includes patient information. When creating a new case, any information entered for the planned treatment, such as the dental codes and tooth location, will automatically populate on the lab prescription form in DDX. This helps reduce duplicate data entry and saves time during case creation. Additionally, DDX will automatically refine the lab list based on which labs can provide the service associated with the imported treatment codes. So instead of searching through every available lab, your team sees a more relevant list from the start. Part of this new workflow allows you to select which procedure is associated with that code, enhancing each request to your labs. The rest of your new case process has not changed. With this update to DDX, practices can spend less time managing the process and more time keeping patient care moving forward.